Hey guys, today we're bringing a dead M1 MacBook Air back to life. Alright, so this M1 MacBook Air came in completely dead. No response, even pressing the power button does absolutely nothing. So the first thing I did was remove the board and plug it into a USB-C meter. Now normally a MacBook should negotiate up to around 20 volts with a decent current draw. But here, we're only getting 5 volts at 0.017 amps. That's extremely low. Basically, the board isn't even properly communicating with the charger. At this point, I moved under the microscope for a quick visual inspection. I spotted something suspicious, a slightly burnt capacitor. When I tilted the board, you can actually see a crack on it, which is a clear sign this component has failed. So I went ahead and removed the shorted capacitor from the board. This is a pretty common failure. A single shorted component can block the entire power system. Now here's the moment of truth. After removing the faulty capacitor, I plugged it back in, and instantly we jumped to 20 volts at around 0.56 amps. And just like that, we have life. Apple logo comes up,